Welcome to eLearning Nuggets channel. I have started a new video series for 10th ICSE Java students who are to write their exams now. It will be a refresher course for them as well as those who want to learn Java. I have installed the Bluej Editor from the internet. It is available easily. You can install it, and once you open the Bluej Editor, it comes in like this. So I double click on the Bluej Editor, and you have to go to project. You have to create a new project, and you can give a name to your project. So I have given it as 10th ICSE. I created a project, so you can give any name you want. Okay, once you create the project, this particular project opens here, and you can practice all your programs inside one project itself. No need to go and create again and again. So you just go and click on new class. You type the name of the class. For example, I type the name as hello. Okay, and here I'm maximizing this particular class. So here I double click, I click on this, I select all this whatever is there, no need of this, and then you can just say cut. Okay, now I'll first explain you in simple words the structure of Java program. See, Java program usually starts with a comment. This is known as this 2 slashes is known as a single line comment. So here I'm just writing my first Java program. Okay, and after that the class starts with the keyword class, and then we write the class name. Okay, we open the braces, and then we say public static void main string args. So every Java program, you should remember, it starts with the main function. So in the exam also they may ask you what is the use of main function. Then you should be able to say that the execution of Java program begins with the main function. And after this you should not put a semicolon here. It is wrong. Okay, many people make this mistake. You should not put a semicolon. You open with the braces, and here this particular block of statements, it will contain the Java statements, whatever be the statements, and that many of the statements end with the semicolon. The semicolon in Java is known as a statement terminator, just as in English it is known as a full stop. For example, my name is XYZ. So after that we put a full stop. So like that, the Java statements need a semicolon at the end of the statement, and then I close the braces here, and then I close the class. Okay, so this is how my Java program looks like. Okay, a simple Java program. It starts with the class name, open the braces, write the main function, and then write the statements, close the main function, and then close the class. So this is known as a single line comment. Comments are used for readability and documentation. There is one more type of comment which is known as a multi-line comments. So multi-line comments are used for more than one line. So if you have more than one line to be commented, okay, then you use a multi-line comment. So what is the speciality of the multi-line comment? See, multi-line, these comments, when you write these comments, it is easy for you to know what this particular program is going to do, and also it is not going to come in your output terminal window. So when you run the output, these comments will not be shown. So now what I am going to do is I am going to comment this whole structure, whatever I have written, structure of Java program. I will comment this so that you can understand. Okay, I will just write structure of Java program. Okay, so you can see here. So I just close this comment here. Okay, can you see the color has changed to a gray color, so that it says that this is for your readability, for you to know what this program is going to do, but it is not going to show it on the screen. Now let me start with a simple example. Let me start with an example program. Okay, so I've written my first Java program. So what do I write first? Class, and then I have written here class names. So class name will be the same name what I have given here. So it will be class hello, and then I need to write this public static void main string args. So I type it here, public. See, Java is case sensitive. That means it differentiates between upper and lower case. So whatever has to be in capital letter, it has to be in capital letter, and what has to be in small letter, it has to be in small case only. You cannot change it as you like, as you do it in HTML. So here, if you observe, some of these words are come in a different color. So this is actually, they are keywords. Keywords are special words with a special meaning to the compiler. And if you observe here, string is written in capital S. All the class names in Java is generally written with a capital letter. Okay, now I'm going to use the simple output statement in Java, which is known as system.out.println. Okay, and this is also a method or a function. A function is a set of statements which do a particular task. So here this println is an output statement. That means whatever is going to be put within the double quotes, between these double quotes, is going to show on your terminal window. So this is our first Java program. So I am going to say hello world. Okay, after I add this, I am going to just close this particular braces and I'm going to end it with the semicolon. As I told earlier, semicolon is your statement terminator. Now I'm going to close the main. So I'm just writing a single line comment here and then I'm going to close the class. Okay, so briefly I will tell you about this program. So before that, we will just see the compilation. After I do this particular after I write this particular code, this is known as the source code written by the user. Okay, and it will be saved as .java. It will be saved as hello.java. Now in Java, once we compile, what happens? It becomes bytecode. So it becomes hello.class. And later again, when I run the program, it will be converted into the object code. Now it says that class compiled, no syntax errors. So this is important. So if there is, suppose I forget the semicolon and I compile this, okay, it will say semicolon expected. So there is an error here. I cannot proceed further. So always I am supposed to see that I don't get any errors. I change this, I correct this particular error. Again I have to compile it till I get this particular message, and then I can either close it or minimize it. Then I need to go to this particular editor, right click, click on void main string args. Okay, you get two braces here and then you say okay. So whatever was there, okay, whatever was printed between the double quotes is your output. So you can see here that this is the one hello world. This is what I had typed here. This is what I had typed here, system.out.println hello world. The same thing is the output that you can see here. Is this clear? Yes, system.out.println hello world, hello world. So if I'm going to make any changes here, for example, let me say hello Java. Okay, I can just compile here. Again, there are no errors here. Okay, I can just right click here and then come here and say, so it changes to hello Java. Yes, so if you see this particular program, most of the programs are like this. Yes, so here public is your access specifier, as I said. Static is your modifier. Void is the return data type. Main is the name of the function. String args is what the input you are going to take from the user from the keyboard. System is another name of a class which is found in java.lang package. Out is for output. It is a variable of this class system. And then println is a method name. And hello Java is the parameters to this method. And whatever whatever braces you have started, you need to close the braces. You should remember that. You should not make the mistake. For example, if I remove this particular braces and then I compile, okay, it gives you this kind of errors. So you need to be careful while typing. Also, I said that Java is a case sensitive language. So I cannot afford to put here small s. And if I do this and I compile, it says it cannot find the symbol string, because generally in the Java library packages, the class names are in capital letters. Hope you have understood this simple program. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.